Hello everybody, today we are making Play-Doh.
So we need hot water, food colors, and we got the orange red, cream of tartar. We need 2 teaspoonful of that, and then flour, all-purpose flour you can use. You need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of table salt, and 1 tablespoonful of oil.
Yes.
And you mix salt with flour. Add
What is that?
this is cream of tartar. You can
Yes.
add 2 tablespoonful of that
One.
and then mix it.
Where's the spoon? Tata.
Now add that vegetable oil.
Yes. And mix it again.
Yes, mix it.
Now last thing.
Okay,
Done.
done. Okay, I'm gonna add food color in boiling water.
Okay. Which color is red?
Yes, it's orange red.
Yes.
You see that?
Yes, I see that. Now
Okay,
put
might-
in your food coloring.
You need a little bit more, I think.
Okay, and put it again. Now we need to put in the hot water. No, let's we put this hot water. Food coloring do this.
Okay, I'm gonna come around.
Okay. Then first we dust well. What are you making that thing? Don't put too much, Daddy.
This much.
So,
So we're gonna mix it very well. Be careful, it's hot.
yeah. I cannot touch it.
Touch it. Okay.
And mix it really hard. Wow, you are very good. Yes. You are a best.
Oh, thank you.
What are you doing so much? Now you just stop.
We put that in the pot and we're gonna put it on the stove. Medium or maybe low.
I'm to three
then
very far hot.
Let the water dry out.
Yes, there is numbers. I want 3 numbers.
Number 3.
Yes.
Okay.
It's done.
No, it's not done yet.
Done. Okay. It's done.
Almost.
Almost.
Yes. Water is gone. It's dried now.
Let me see.
Okay, 1 second.
Oh, it's very dry.
It's almost dry.
Yes, it's almost.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off the stove.
No.
Sparsh, do you wanna try now? If it's cool now?
Yes, it's going to run down. I'm gonna break it.
You wanna break it? No, you cannot break the Play-Doh. Okay, you wanna take it out of the ball?
Yes.
Okay, take it out. Put it on a counter. Use
And
your both hands.
on the counter.
Yes. Okay. You wanna knead that stuff?
It's warm. It's warm.
It's warm.
Yes.
Okay.
I-
Let's let it try.
It's warm.
So it looks like it's ready now.
Yes.
Yeah, your Play-Doh is ready. Oh, do you like that Play-Doh?
Yes. It is nice. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. It's really heavy. Oh.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.